This video will cover routine Mopit maintenance. Routine Mopit maintenance includes changing your squeegee blade every 4 to 8 weeks, cleaning the fresh water filter every 8 weeks, adjusting your brush pressure every 12 weeks, changing the squeegee blade and wheels. Over time, your squeegee blade will wear out. This will cause decreased cleaning and suction performance. You can change your squeegee blade by following these simple steps. Remove the Allen/Phillips tool from the back side of the Mopit Mini or top of the Mopit Mid and Max. Tip the Mopit on its back. If you have a Mopit Mini, it will be easier to tip back if the squeegee pedal is in transport mode. With the Mopit on its back, unscrew the black wing nut on top of the squeegee bar. Remove the squeegee insert bar and squeegee blade. Attach the new blade to the squeegee insert bar by aligning the holes in the rubber blade with the corresponding metal dowels in the insert bar. Insert the new squeegee and insert the bar back into the squeegee assembly by finding the dowel in the end and inserting it into the corresponding hole in the end of the squeegee assembly bar. While holding the squeegee and bar in place, reattach the black wing nut until it is snug. If your machine still has the old plastic wheels you see here, you will want to replace them with our new soft squeegee wheels. The squeegee wheels are essential for maintaining proper suction. And in addition to lasting longer, the new softer material provides a much quieter and smoother ride, especially on tile and hard surfaces. The new Mopit squeegee wheels are no longer included with the squeegee kit because they should last you at least a year. The squeegee wheel can be easily changed using the Allen/Phillips tool that comes with your Mopit machine, or any Phillips screwdriver and a 5/32 Allen wrench. Remove the old wheels and attach the new ones with the split washer. Tighten until they are snug. Lift your Mopit back into the scrub position. Cleaning the fresh water filter. With the Mopit on its back, turn off the water valve. Pull the silicone hose off the valve assembly. While pushing the retaining ring on the solenoid, pull the tube out of the solenoid and remove the filter assembly. Twist open the yellow filter housing. Remove the stainless steel filter screen from the plastic housing. This filter can be cleaned by rinsing it with water. Reinstall the filter by pushing the filter and O-ring in the plastic top piece and then replacing other parts in reverse order. Turn the valve back on. Tip the Mopit back up into scrub position. Adjusting the brush pressure. With the Mopit on its back, locate the wheel block windows. It's the small hole next to each of the front 6-inch wheels. Insert a 5/32 Allen wrench into the hole and do one full turn counterclockwise on each wheel block. This video shows us doing 2 half turns. Make sure that each wheel is adjusted the same distance. Adjusting these bolts too far can cause excess brush pressure on the floor and cause damage to the brush motor over time. Tip the Mopit back up into the scrub position. Move the Mopit to a flat area and with a flashlight check the brush deflection on the floor. Make sure that there's no more than 1 inch of brush width hitting the floor with a 1/4 inch of deflection. If the deflection is too much, tip the Mopit on its back again and do these steps in reverse. Give us a call at 1-800-290-2833 or email us at mopit@mopit.com if you have any servicing or other questions about your Mopit. Thanks for being a Mopit customer.